Wright cooking channel. Today we're gonna cook gizzard for a meal, and I'm gonna walk you through the process, and let's get started. It's already washed, prepared. I'm gonna put it in this pot. We're gonna pressure cook it today. I'm gonna season it with half of my onion. And I'm gonna put half of my pepper what I have cut up in it. I'm gonna pressure cook it with it. I'm gonna put some carrot in it, guys. I'm gonna put salt-free seasoning. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon, as you can see, in it as well. I'm gonna put some onion powder. I would say 3/4 of a teaspoon. I'm gonna put some black pepper in it. Half a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more of this seasoning into it. Another half a teaspoon. And then, guys, I'm gonna put some salt in it. I would say half a teaspoon of salt as well. My pepper, I've made this self-made pepper by myself. I'm just gonna put a teaspoon of this pepper in it because it's very hot, it's Scotch bonnet pepper. And now, guys, I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker and I'm gonna give it 30 minutes. The pressure cooker is right there. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, and then when it cooked, I'll walk you through the process. 30 minutes is through, and now I'm about to lift it, and I'm gonna walk you through this other second process. This is what it look like, guys. It's very soft and tender. Now I'm gonna throw it in the skillet, and as you can see, some onion and some bell pepper. And now I'm gonna throw it in this. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna put a little more seasoning to add to it, and then I'm gonna make it cook down to gravy in another 15 minutes. So I'm gonna add my onion, I'm gonna add my bell pepper, okay, we are back, and this is what the meat look like. Let me show it to you guys. This is it. Soft and tender. Now that we're gonna eat this meat, chicken gizzard, with a little white rice and a few sweet potato, and over here this is our vegetable green bean. Let us pray. Lord, thank you for the food before us. the family and friends beside us, and the love between us. Amen.
Amen. Here's our food, guys. It looks so delicious and so pretty.
Okay, guys, this is the gizzard. I haven't tasted it as yet, but I'm about to eat.
It look good.
So let's taste it with me, guy. Let's eat with us.
Can't wait to taste it.
Guys, you really need to try this. It's very tender. It's very nice.
It is tender.
Very tender.
Well seasoned.
You need to try this. Guys, very good. I know you will like it. Just walk through the process little by little and you'll get there.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good. The meat is very tender.
Well, this is our Sunday dinner. We try to cook something every Sunday. Have a Sunday meal together.
Yes, guys, that's what we try to do. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like our channel. And God bless you, and have a happy afternoon.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your notification bells so you'll know every time we post a video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.